Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. We are back with Thrift Flip Road Trip Open Challenge. This takes place every other month and it is being hosted by Sammy, Unicorn Dust Designs, along with crafting cousin Trish and Kate. The guest host for this month is CJ DIY with CJ. We also have this month several giveaways and here are the details.
Welcome to the Thrift Flip Road Trip. In today's video, we are participating in an open challenge hosted by Unicorn Dust Designs, Crafting Cousins, and special guest host CJ DIY. Here, talented creators breathe new life into old items. But wait, there's more. We are thrilled to announce that this month's playlist will have a special giveaway with 5 lucky winners. Prizes include a deluxe easy bow maker from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, a craft tool kit from Lady Red Crafting, a mystery box with crafting supplies from DIY Next Door, and 2 wood craft kits from Crafting Cousins. To enter, just watch the July Thrift Flip Road Trip playlist and comment your favorite project from each creator on their video. You must comment on every video to be eligible. Mark your calendar for July 27th when we will announce the winners on our community tabs. I'm sorry, due to shipping costs, giveaway is open to U.S. residents only. Don't miss out on this chance to win and be sure to spread the love by following the playlist link in the description box below.
For the first project, I found this table in the curbside. Somebody threw it out. And as you can see, look, it has some type of tape. I'm going to be removing that and sanding the whole entire piece. Once that is done, then I'm going to proceed with this Serenity Blue chalk paint. And this is from Rust-Oleum. I'm going to apply 2 coats. And guys, let me tell you that this table was pretty beat up. The legs were wrapped up in some type of tape. They were moldy. I went and I sanded most of it out. So I'm hoping that once I'm done painting this top part over here, when I proceed to paint the bottom section, it's gonna look nice and even. And this is gonna go outside in my patio. And just remember that this is completely customizable. You can paint it any color you like. I consider the black, but I opted for the Serenity Blue because I think this is absolutely beautiful and it suits the season. And of course, this cost me nothing because I found this in the curbside. I hope you enjoy it. Leave me in the comment section your thoughts. I purchased this at a thrift store probably about 3 or 4 years and I had not done absolutely nothing with it. So I'm going to go ahead and paint it with white chalk paint. I'm going to be giving it 1 entire coat. I think I want to give it some more texture by adding this black spray paint from Rust-Oleum. And let's see how this turns out. I also want to remind you that this is part of an open collaboration Thrift Flip Road Trip. Make sure to visit these creators. The playlist is down below in my description box for your convenience. And here is the final reveal. This is not a new video. This I am incorporating it into this one only because I wanted the video to be a little longer. This mason jar, I'm going to be repurposing it. First thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be placing 4 of these leaves in front of the jar. Once the leaves are put in place, I'm coming in with some white chalk paint and I'll be giving it one thick coat. I'm going to be taking this jute cord and I am going to be placing it right here with some hot glue. And once I am done placing this jute cord right here, then I'm going to go ahead and proceed to take out those leaves. This gold marker from Dollar Tree, I'm going to go ahead and trace all of the leaves just to make it look nice and finished. And this was my favorite. Actually, this one was the first one that sold. And guys, this is it for this final project. Please let me know in the comment section which is your favorite. And once again, if you have not subscribed, I am hoping that you consider subscribing. And with this, I'm just gonna add a tea light and some white leaves on top. And this is it for this beautiful project. And now for the final reveal.